Hello everyone. In this video, I'm excited to have the Dairy Queen Cotton Candy Blizzard, which is a blizzard of the month for April here in Canada. I'm super excited to get this one because this is my favorite, usually only available in the summertime, but they have it now and I was so excited to see that. So Cotton Candy Blizzard is supposed to be like cotton candy. It has tiny little pink and purple pieces in it that are like crunchy, giving it a nice little texture to it. But the ice cream flavor itself is absolutely amazing. So it's my favorite blizzard. So happy to see it. I can't even describe what it tastes like because it's just the best tasting thing in the world. It's it does taste like cotton candy, very sweet like that. But cotton candy kind of melts in your mouth. I guess similar to ice cream, but the texture is different than normal cotton candy because it just dissolves. So it makes it a little bit different. It does have the Dairy Queen ice cream taste to it, which is delicious. So I don't know, there's a lot going on here. It just tastes amazing. You can see the little rocks that are in it. They rock. Oh, I'm so happy to have this. This is delicious. So hype. It's amazing in the summertime. It's amazing in April. Good anytime. Like, I don't know. It's delicious and like it has a texture to it. Just unreal. It's really sweet. So some people that don't like sweet ice cream, if you don't like cotton candy ice cream regular, you can get that at like grocery stores and stuff like that. You probably won't like this because this is very, very sweet and similar to the other cotton candy ice cream. So, what better? So good. Yeah, this is my all-time favorite blizzard. I really like the Smartie Blizzard as well. That one's more chocolatey. This one's more like fruity, sweet, sugary. So good. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review. That was good. Happy tastes good. Yeah, amazing. So, as I said, that's my favorite blizzard. Probably my favorite ice cream thing of all time. It's just simply too good. So I would give the Cotton Candy Blizzard from Dairy Queen a 10 out of 10. Like, this is perfect. I don't give out 10 out of 10s like ever. This one deserves it because it is amazing. Like, absolutely amazing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.